Greetings, this is ARM, the Automated Animal Resisting Machine, an AI-driven, solar-powered solution to human-elephant conflicts. Our mission is simple but critical to protect both rural communities and endangered wildlife using ethical, intelligent technology. Our team includes Kanishk, our Chief Executive Officer and System Strategist, Arjun, our Chief Technology Officer and AI Architect, and myself, Aditya, the Project Manager responsible for operations and field coordination. Together, we've engineered a solution that merges biology, artificial intelligence, and sustainability.
Wildlife frequently enters farmlands due to climate-driven habitat loss. This results in property damage, economic losses, and sometimes fatal encounters. Existing deterrents such as electric fences or loud crackers are either expensive, harmful, or unreliable. ARM introduces a smarter, safer, and scalable solution designed to work with, not against, nature. ARM is a modular, solar-powered deterrent system. It uses embedded AI to detect wildlife and emits infrasound or ultrasound, a low-frequency or high-frequency sound that wildlife instinctively recognize as a warning. This non-invasive method encourages them to turn back, avoiding stress or injury. We are piloting this system in Tamil Nadu's Sirvani corridor, a high-risk human-wildlife conflict zone. ARM contributes to Sustainable Development Goals 13 and 15, enhancing both climate resilience and conservation efforts.
At the core of ARM is a Raspberry Pi based embedded processing system running a custom-trained YOLO V8 model. This model has been fine-tuned to region-specific wildlife datasets to ensure high-precision detection. The Pi offers a perfect balance between edge processing capability and field adaptability, making it ideal for real-time autonomous inference in forest conditions.
Field simulations show that ARM could reduce crop rates by up to 60%, protecting over 100 elephants daily and preventing more than 200 human-wildlife confrontations every year. These are not just numbers, they represent lives saved and ecosystems preserved.
Our future upgrades include thermal imaging for nighttime detection, cloud-based data behavioral analytics, and deterrent strategies for other species like wild boars and deers. ARM is not a one-time fix. It's a platform for intelligence wildlife management.
Our business model combines affordable hardware, AI analytics services, and field installation. We aim to start with pilot rollouts in South India, followed by broader deployment across Asia and Africa. With the right funding, we can scale production and rapidly expand to areas that need it most.
ARM is where empathy meets intelligence,
Preserving lives and ecosystems, one smart signal at a time.
Thank you.